Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking out our non-functioning intercom system and from the early 90s along with our phone jack and replacing it with an electrical outlet. You can see the system has power, so when we pull everything out we should find a power source in the wall. As for the phone jack, it's become obsolete. We do still have a house phone, but everything runs through the internet modem and is wireless. So we're going to remove it and patch it up. Alright, now let's get started. So this is a low voltage transformer in here. That's what's being pumped through here. And there's a transformer inside there that converts it all to a low voltage. There it goes. And those are our live wires. 3-prong, exactly what I need. Now we're left with the rest of the wires that run to the intercom system. We'll be removing the system over time. We're not in any hurry. It has no energy supply running to the intercoms or these wires, so we can pull them through later. Now I have a plan for this area. It involves the necessity of a power supply and a support system. Now in the support system I've drilled a hole so I can run the electrical through the horizontal beam. And then I'll be boxing out the void and installing a vertical support in the center. The power supply doesn't give us much slack, so we're going to be installing our electrical box in the bottom left corner, and we're going to install our electrical outlet. Now it's all set up, let's cover the area with some drywall. I'm using two different methods in installing the drywall. I'll leave a link to the video tutorial on how to do it above. We're nearly done. It's time to let it dry, sand, and then add texture and paint. We're using Home Max wall texture and the orange peel out of a medium texture at about 3 feet back. Now once it's completely dry, I recommend using a roller instead of a paintbrush. Paintbrush leaves streaks, the roller goes on nicely as long as you use a heavy nap for rough walls. And for the final touch, we're going to be adding our electrical outlet cover. Now this is a big area with nothing in it, so what we're going to be doing next is installing a cozy look calendar system with a wall mount and extendable arm. That'll be a future video. If you have any questions or comments about this or the process, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.